Hello friends, let me start our today's class. I teach you today past tense. There are 4 subtypes in the past tense. First is simple past tense, second is past continuous tense, third past perfect tense, and fourth past perfect continuous tense. Okay. How many subtypes? 4. Now first, simple past tense. Simple past tense is used to express an action in the past. That means an action occurred or happened in the past. Here you can see an example. He gave me a pen. Gave. Gave is the second form of the verb. In the simple past tense, the sentence structure is subject plus V2 plus object. V2 is second form of the verb. The first form of gave is, do you know? Yes, give. Second, gave, and third, given. Here in the simple past tense, we take second form of the verb. So, the example is, he gave me a pen. Here that action of giving pen is in the past. So, action occurred in the past. Therefore, simple past tense is used. Have you understood it, students? Okay. Now, next. Here we learn how to make a question in the simple past tense. You know, in simple present tense, to make a question sentence, we use do or does as a helping verb. In the simple past tense, we use did. What is did? We use did in the simple past tense while making a question sentence. Here is an example. Watch it. What is it? See. Did you eat an apple? Did is the verb form in simple past tense. One thing that you remember, after did we use first form of the main verb. Here did is helping verb and eat is main verb. So, we always take first form of the verb when we use did in the sentence. So, your example is, did you eat an apple? Here. So, this is an example of simple past tense. Now, I ask you, did you eat an apple? And your answer is, yes, I did. Very good. Now, next. Second is past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is used for an action continuing at a particular time in the past. See, an action continuing at a particular time in the past. Means something that was continuing at a particular point of time in the past. Got it? Okay. Now see an example. When I saw him, means at the time, at a particular time, he was playing chess. So you can see past continuous tense in the sentence he was playing chess. Was playing means his action was continue. So in simple past tense, in the past continuous tense, we use was or were and then verb ing. So the sentence structure is subject plus was, were plus VING plus object. Dear friends, can you tell me which one is a singular verb and which one is plural? Yes, was is a singular verb and were is a plural verb. So we use was or were and then verb ing and object when we write the structure of past continuous tense. Now the third tense is in the past perfect tense. The past perfect tense is used to express an action completed before a certain moment in the past. Means something had completed at a certain moment in the past where we use past perfect tense. You can see here in an example, I washed the floor when the painter had gone. In this second sentence, when the painter had gone, you can see had plus V3, that is past perfect tense. The structure of past perfect tense is subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Means here we use had and then third form of the verb gone. Here gone is the third form of the verb. What is first? Go. Second form is went and third is gone. Gone is the third form of the verb here. So always remember, in the past perfect tense, the first action that occurred is written in the past perfect tense form and the second action occurred after is written in the simple past tense. Here you can see washed, the second form of the verb. So here in this sentence, I washed the floor, there is simple past tense, and when the painter had gone, here we can see the third form of the verb. So there is past perfect tense. So friends, can you tell me which action occurred first? Of course, the painter had gone, means painter went first and then he washed the floor. The structure of past perfect is, tell me what? Subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Very good. And now last, what is it? Past perfect continuous tense. The past perfect continuous tense is used to indicate that the activity was continuous and that it was still going on at the period of time in the past. See, what is period of time in the past means if something had been continuous for a long time in the past tense. We use past perfect continuous tense. We have studied already the present perfect continuous tense. The difference between present perfect continuous tense and past perfect continuous tense is that if something is going on for a long time in the present, we use present perfect continuous tense. And if something was going on for long time in the past for a certain period, we use past perfect continuous tense. Did you get that? Okay. See here example. She had been working at the company for 5 years. In the present tense lesson, we learn the uses of since and for. These two prepositions are used to express long duration of action. Here, she had been working at the company for 5 years, means the work was there for 5 years, means she was doing work for a period of time. So, her work was continuous for longer time, therefore, we have used past perfect continuous tense, and the structure of past perfect continuous tense is subject plus, had plus, been plus, verb ing. So, suppose some action was continuous at the period of time in the past, we use past perfect continuous tense. These all are past tense. Can I repeat? How many types in the past tense? Yes, there are 4 types. The first is simple past, second is past continuous, third is past perfect, and fourth is past perfect continuous tense. In the simple past tense, we use second form of the verb. In the past continuous tense, we use was or were plus VING. In the past perfect tense, we use had, and in the past perfect continuous tense, we use had plus been. Simple past tense is used to express an action occurred in the past. In the past continuous, action was continuous at a particular moment in the past. In the past perfect tense, action completed at a certain time in the past, and in the past perfect continuous tense, action was continuous for a long period of time in the past. So, here I end my today's class. Have a good day. Thank you.